Now there's a funny statue here with a young boy kneeling on his knees and supporting the girl is standing on his shoulders, and the girl is reading a book. Alright, this is the famous koi pond right here, the Vinhomes Central Park. Right now there are a few hundred koi fishes, but I believe there are thousands of them live in the pond. I reached the tallest building in Vietnam, landmark 81. It's a Vinhomes Center at the ground floor. You can see the long trail of traffic. It's just simply amazing. A big hello from Saigon, Vietnam, Ho Chi Minh City. I'm at one of the best park in Saigon, Ho Chi Minh City. There will be the Vinhomes Central Park. It's a very big park, directly located opposite the landmark 81, the tallest building in Vietnam. And right now we'll be exploring this place. The time is about 5 p.m. on a weekday afternoon. The weather is good, so join me for this mini adventure. I'll be walking to the Red Bridge over there and also explore some of the facilities and stuff here, infrastructure. You can feel the fresh air and hear the bird chirping, as well as see the locals, what they are doing, chatting with friends, eating, even some people are jogging, exercising. There's also a beautiful bridge. Okay. So this is the iconic red bridge of the Vinhomes Central Park. It's very beautiful Instagram worthy spot, and uncle just give the koi fishes some of the food there. And from here you can look at the different apartments, the P2 and the landmark 81, the tallest building in Vietnam so far. So you can come here for free, to enter free, to take some Instagram worthy photos, just like the two young girls. And then we see some beautiful rock here. Basketball court. The kids are training with their teacher, instructor, and there's a tennis court here. And by the way, that bridge, beautiful red, yellow, pale circular bridge link from this Vinhomes Central Park to the apartments opposite, which is the P2 apartment. And there are some artificial stones on the right side. Have you guys ever visited this Vinhomes Central Park? You can drop me a comment. I'd like to hear from you guys. Guess what? The person who designed these rock formations are really clever and genius, because they just look so natural and beautiful. And right here we are going to visit and see the Saigon River, as well as after that we'll be exploring the playground. Look at that. Wow, the kids must be lucky staying here. It'll be a nice experience sitting at the steps there and just watching the beautiful scenery. So this is the playground of the Vinhomes Central Park. It's like really colorful and big, and best of all, it's free. So there's no fee. The only thing is, if you stay like a bit far, like near the airport, the Tân Bình, or you stay at District 2, if you come here it'll be a bit far. But then in Saigon, once again, you will take a Grab, motorbike, or even a car. It won't take more than 1 hour unless it's a heavy traffic jam. Now let me show you guys something. Do you know what statue is this? Yes, you are right. It's a Hercules strongman statue. He's holding kind of iron plate on his right hand, and he's doing a pose with his left hand. There are some houses opposite. There's a private houses. You feel definitely more refreshed after you come to this place. Wow. But be careful though. Don't go down. It's risky to your life. Now it's good to stay here nearby. But just one thing, there are not many street food near the landmark 81. You need to walk out, and also we need to take a Grab or taxi. Subscribe if you enjoyed the video so far, and give a thumbs up so that more people can find the video. Thanks very much. Wow, there's some kind of nice boat, right? There's someone playing violin at the top floor. I really like the design of the Saigon water bus boat. It's so trendy and colorful. And right here, we can have a good view of District 1. Now, firstly, there's a Ba Son Bridge. In Vietnamese, they call it the Cao Ba Son. And guess what? The Bùi Viện and walking street and Nguyễn Huệ walking street is just that direction. You see a Sang Hoa building. Not only that, there are some yachts. I think it's a private yacht. You can bring your dogs for a walk in the park. And not only that, I see some young people or teenagers. They are exercising by running in the park with their martial art uniform, the Vietnamese martial arts. I see retirees on the bench chatting with one another. It's good because they get a pastime here. I just saw some local Vietnamese play golf. So this is a badminton. Another few more minutes before sunset in Saigon. Nice game here, badminton. Tennis game. Some nice selfies. There are two colorful viewing points from opposite. You should climb out the spiral staircase and look at the Saigon River from the top, as well as the Landmark 81 and the surrounding apartments. Now, one thing, there's a slight slope upwards and downwards from the other direction if you cross this bridge, so just walk slowly, especially during rainy days. It's like 5:50 p.m. right now, 10 minutes to 6 p.m. and there are some rollerblading lessons for the children. A group of people playing the Tai Chi exercise. I just crossed the road from the Vinhomes Central Park and now we are at the Landmark 81 area as well as the Vinhomes Center. There's a beautiful Vinpearl Landmark 81 autograph collection hotels. And it can actually go up to one of the level and have a free sky view. I'll show you guys in a while. I just reached the Vinhomes Center, Landmark 81. There's a nice ice skating ring. I believe this is the only ice skating ring in Saigon, the only one. This is the basement one level. There are lots of restaurants. I'm at the ticket counter for the Landmark 81 sky view. The price ticket for adult on today is a weekday, 300,000. I'll teach you guys how to save their money. Now, once you enter Vinhomes Center, you come to this place, to the door to go to the hotel reception. Alright, these are the names of the restaurants at the Landmark 81. From here, you need to tell white lie to the staff that you have an appointment with one of the upper levels restaurant. For example, go to Tango Japanese Bar, level 67. Just give a name or a fake one will do. And then the staff will bring you out to level 48 at the hotel lobby, and I'll show you guys more about what happens. So from here, we are going to go that direction to the reception area. You can check out the beautiful wedding costumes before we go up to the reception. This is the Vinpearl Landmark 81 autograph collection hotels. So I just came out from the elevator. This is level 48, and from here you can have the free view, skyscraper view of Saigon. I mean, nighttime I think is not bad. Daytime you can come here also for another view. You can even see the Nguyễn Huệ from here, as well as the yacht, the boats. Come to this white screen and use your finger or thumb to press G, hotel entrance once again.
Car 7.
Then there's the lift, car 7. Hope you guys enjoy this free tip on getting and viewing the free skyscraper view from landmark 81, although it's from only level 48, but it's good enough for me, and maybe it's good enough for some of you. If you want to go to the top floor like 77, feel free to go to the Usina Sky restaurant. Just order a drink. I think it's about 200,000, and then you can watch the sky view. But just take note, the weather, if it's raining, then the view will not be so good. Now it seems like every week there's a kind of car show here by Vinhomes Park. They actually sell the cars. I think the Vinhomes at the landmark 81 has enough shopping to keep the shoppers occupied. There's Armani exchange and lots of branded stuff here. Banana Republic. The money saved from the sky view tickets can be used to buy your dinner or go for a buffet lunch. There's a Hai Di Lao hot pot at the corner and a Wing Mart.